All your boys making fun of you because you look like this, or this, or this? Stick around. I got two options to keep you from looking like a dumbass. What's up, friends? Tony from Tucker Speed here. Today I want to talk to you about the Simpson Speed Bandit and do a little comparison against one of my favorites, the Biltwell Lane Splitter. But remember, you can find all of these products at tuckerspeed.com. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit that notifications button, because somewhere in this video I'm going to hide a one-time use code to save you 20% off any product on the site. So these two helmets are both entry-level helmets. You're going to get into these helmets for under 300 bucks. You got to keep in mind that these are not going to be a good comparison to a $500 or $600 or $700 helmet. They're just not going to have the bells and whistles that you're going to get with a higher end helmet. These are lower end helmets, but they both have really nice features, good aggressive styling to them, and face shield options that you can swap out. So let's jump into the Speed Bandit. All right, so the Speed Bandit, current MSRP is $279.95, so still under that 300 bucks. One of the big reasons it's at that price point is it has a polycarbonate shell, which is a little bit more expensive material, but it is more impact resistant. One of the things I really like about the Speed Bandit is they kept the traditional styling of that outlaw look. It's got the really aggressive front and the speed brows up top. They added two vents right behind the first speed brow that it creates a Venturi effect that aids in the venting. It's also got three vents on each side up front and one vent right in the rear. The face shields are probably one of the nicer features about the Speed Bandit. They have four really good detent spots to kind of lock in anywhere you want it, and then at the bottom they have a locking mechanism that actually locks it in. Face shields are, you got like 3 or 4, maybe 5 different colors in face shields, which is cool. And one of the other really cool things that they did is that this face shield and the Ghost Bandit use the same face shield. So if down the road you decide to upgrade and buy a little bit nicer helmet and get into a Ghost Bandit, these face shields are going to convert over. So I really like how Simpson added that into this helmet. This helmet has fully removable and washable inner liner and cheek pads. The cheek pads have big pockets cut out so you can add in communication or audio devices, so you can be listening to tunes or talking to your buddies while you're out on the road. This helmet, it comes in 6 sizes, extra small to 2X. And they also make this helmet in 3 different shell sizes, so depending on what size you want to order, whether it's an XL or extra small, if it's an extra small, it's not going to be a huge shell, or if it's a 2X, it's not going to be a super small shell. So super nice helmet for under 300 bucks. All right, so the Lane Splitter is currently coming in at an MSRP of $249, so well under that $300 mark. This helmet's constructed of an ABS plastic. One of the reasons that the price point's a little bit lower is ABS is a little bit cheaper to manufacture. This helmet still has that kind of aggressive styling, not quite as aggressive compared to the Simpson. You don't get those, the brow lines and stuff like that, but you get that aggressive face. The helmet has 3 vents up front, 2 on the side, and then 1 rear center vent. So you're still getting plenty of venting through the helmet that helps out. Face shields on this helmet, you're gonna get, I think there's 4 or 5 different color options on the face shields. The face shields are built out of a polycarbonate, and they also have like an anti-fog and anti-scratch agent built into them. Hinge kits are replaceable, and there's also 4 or 5 different color options for the hinge kits, which is pretty cool because you can kind of change them out to match your styling. And then the helmet itself, at any given point, Biltwell will have 8 to 10 different color options. They're always going to have your basic black and white, but they'll always add in, you know, some cool reds and blues and tans, golds or whatever. So with all the different helmet colors, face shield colors, and hinge kit colors, you can really build a custom helmet that matches you, your style, or your bike, however you want to set it up, which is pretty cool. The helmet has a fully removable inner liner and cheek pads. The cheek pads have pockets built in for communication and audio devices, which is a cool feature. It also has a chin curtain underneath, which is a nice feature for this helmet. So overall, really customizable to make your own. Some really nice features in the Lane Splitter. A few of the reasons that this has been one of my longtime favorites. All right, so in closing, the Speed Bandit, what I really like about the Speed Bandit is the styling. I love that it has that classic outlaw styling to it. The face shield is one of the nicest features on this helmet. It's quick release. The detents are super solid. They're nice and tight, and then it has the lock at the bottom. I really like that you can convert these face shields over to a Ghost Bandit in the future. And lastly, I like that it's made out of a polycarbonate shell, but you'll pay a couple bucks more for that. The Lane Splitter, what I really like about the Lane Splitter, you know, obviously it's a little bit lower price point at $249. The face shields are a little bit cheaper as well. And I really like that you have tons of color options in the shell, the face shield, and the hinge kits, so you can really customize this helmet and make it your own. And the other thing that I like about the Lane Splitter is that it comes with the chin curtain at no extra cost. So both of these helmets are DOT and ECE compliant, so they're both super safe helmets. I've worn both of these helmets personally. I've worn a Lane Splitter for a lot of years, and I really like this helmet. The Speed Bandit is new to the market, and I've had the opportunity to wear it a couple of times, and I've been super impressed with it. For under 300 bucks, both of these helmets are really great options. You can't go wrong with either one. I hope you guys have found this video informative. Help you make a decision in what helmet fits what you're looking for in a helmet. Remember, you can find both of these helmets at tuckerspeed.com. And please stay tuned for more videos to come. Do I look ridiculous? I guess this I need to say like we have some, I can't even my head. Hang on, I might get the COVIDs.